Are you thinking about selling your home and wondering how to mitigate the cost of expensive repairs? Next up in the First Time Home Seller Coaching Program, we want to go over the 10 most expensive home repairs and how to avoid them. By spotting and taking care of minor repairs before they become major, you can save yourself from facing the 10 most expensive home repairs. Stick around as we reveal these costly issues and provide valuable maintenance tips to avoid them. So, whether you're a buyer looking for your dream home or a seller wanting to improve your property value, this video is for you. Number one on our list is foundation repair. Foundation repairs can cost anywhere from $500 to $15,000 or maybe even more. Look out for signs like pooling water, cracks, or hard to shut windows and doors. To prevent this, ensure the soil around your house doesn't get too dry and maintain proper drainage. Number two is roof repair. The average cost to repair a roof ranges from $1,000 to $10,000. Watch out for leaks, visible damage, or missing shingles. Regular inspections and immediate repairs for minor issues can save you a lot in the long run. Number three, broken water heater. The average repair cost for a water heater is anywhere from $500 to $1,500 or maybe even more. Be aware of strange noises, bad smells, or insufficient heating. Regularly check the pressure valve, get inspections, and remember to flush the tank to prevent problems. Number four on our list is termite damage. Termite repairs can set you back anywhere from $500 to $8,000. Look for swarms of flying bugs, hollowed out wood, and mud tunnels along exterior walls. Installing termite monitors and traps, maintaining distance between mulch and the foundation, and regular inspections can help prevent this issue. Number five, water damage. Water damage repairs average around $2,000. Keep an eye out for musty smells, leaks in roofs or walls, and mold or mildew growth. Regularly clean gutters, fix pipe leaks, and test your sump pump to prevent water-related issues. Number six, HVAC replacement. Repairing HVAC systems can cost between $500 to $2,500 or maybe even more. If you experience heating or cooling issues, strange noises, or unusual odors, you might have a mechanical or electrical problems. Ensure your HVAC system receives regular maintenance, replace air filters on schedule, and clear debris around outdoor units to avoid costly repairs. Number seven on our list is mold removal. Mold removal can cost around $2,000. Mold may be visible or give off a musty odor, and it can even cause respiratory issues. Regularly inspect your plumbing and take action to avoid mold growth. Number eight, new pipes. Repairs for pipes can amount to $2,500. Keep an eye out for damage on exposed pipes, water leaks, or rusty water. Avoid using chemicals on drains, winterize your pipes during cold months, and consider professional cleaning to prevent costly pipe issues. Number nine, septic system repair. Septic system repairs can cost around $1,500. Watch for signs like slow drains, standing water in the yard, or toilets not flushing properly. Regular septic tank pumping and inspections can help prevent major issues. Lastly, number 10, electrical issues. Electrical repairs can skyrocket up to $15,000 for rewiring. Look out for frequent circuit breaker trips, electrical shocks from appliances, flickering lights, or malfunctioning switches. Remember, electrical work isn't a DIY task. Always get a professional electrician to inspect and service your system. Whether you're buying or selling a home, understanding these potential costly repairs is crucial. By taking proactive maintenance steps, you can protect yourself from unnecessary expenses and increase your property's value.